So locate the battery. Here's the battery. There's the plus, there's the minus, judging by the color. And on the other card, there's the plus, that's the minus. Red is the plus, black is the minus. Okay, and let's get the cable. The red is the plus. Put it there. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try there. Make sure you don't make a short circuit. Я тоже выгоняю волны оттуда. Let's see, this is the minus.